How to get fit in 20 minutes, full body workout for beginners. A 20-minute workout that you can do at home. Warm up, 5 minutes. Start with a 5-minute warm up to get your heart rate up and prepare your body for exercise. You can do this by jogging in place, jumping jacks, or a brisk walk. Squats, 2 sets of 10 reps. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, toes pointing forward. Lower your body by bending your knees and pushing your hips back as if you're sitting in a chair. Keep your chest lifted and your weight in your heels. Stand up and repeat for 2 sets of 10 reps. Push-ups, 2 sets of 10 reps. Get into a plank position with your hands shoulder width apart, fingers pointing forward, and your toes tucked under. Lower your body towards the ground by bending your elbows, keeping your body straight. Push back up and repeat for 2 sets of 10 reps. Lunges, 2 sets of 10 reps per leg. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Step forward with your left foot, keeping your knee directly above your ankle. Lower your body until your left thigh is parallel to the ground. Push back up and repeat for 2 sets of 10 reps. Repeat on the other leg. Crunches, 2 sets of 10 reps. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet on the ground. Place your hands behind your head and lift your shoulders off the ground. Lower back down and repeat for 2 sets of 10 reps. Plank, 30 seconds. Get into a plank position with your hands shoulder width apart, fingers pointing forward, and your toes tucked under. Hold for 30 seconds. Cool down, 3 minutes. Finish with a 3-minute cool down to bring your heart rate back down and stretch your muscles. You can do this by walking in place, stretching your arms and legs, and taking deep breaths. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new exercise routine, especially if you have any health concerns or medical conditions. Also, always listen to your body and adjust the intensity of the exercises as needed. It's important to warm up properly before exercising and cool down properly afterwards to reduce the risk of injury. Pre-workout stretches can help increase flexibility and range of motion, while post-workout stretches can help reduce muscle soreness and stiffness. However, it's important to note that stretching can also cause injury if done improperly or excessively. To avoid injury, it's recommended to do dynamic stretches before a workout, such as jogging or jumping jacks, and save static stretching, holding a stretch for a certain amount of time, or after the workout when your muscles are warm. Also, it's important to listen to your body and not push yourself too hard. If you feel any pain or discomfort during the stretches or exercises, stop immediately and consult with a healthcare professional before continuing your workout routine.